Negative Facebook ad comments cost thousands and miss revenue. It takes just one bad comment to completely ruin an ad that was previously killing it, so why are you not just deleting them? Don't listen to anybody saying that deleting comments somehow sends negative signals to Facebook that affect your ad's performance. That is complete marketer hearsay, and there's no publication from Meta backing this up. In fact, in my experience, the opposite is to be the case. And I've previously posted a short that proves this, showing a before and after of deleting the comments, improving performance. So I carry out comment audits every single week for my clients, as well as setting up keyword block lists to auto-hide comments that fall under those negative keywords. And I'm going to show you how to do both of those things in just a moment. Now that said, from a brand/business perspective, you probably want to respond to people who have a genuine reason for leaving a negative comment and deal with their complaint. Because in Facebook, you have the option to either outright delete a comment or to simply hide it. And if you hide a comment, what happens is the commenter and yourself as the brand owner or the manager of the Instagram, Facebook page, you can still see the comment, they can still see the comment, you can respond to them, they can see your responses, you can see their responses, but no one else viewing that ad is able to see their comment or this conversation. So it's not going to affect their decision to make a purchase. That said, on Instagram, you only have the option to delete the comments. You cannot hide them. But there are some situations where you might want to keep a negative comment public and publicly respond to it in order to handle objections. So for example, with my sleep supplement brand where we make a drink, people will often comment saying they don't want this because it's going to wake them up during the night to go to the toilet. I can publicly respond to that and say, hey, that's not actually a problem. We recommend people drink it 1 to 2 hours before bed, and you will excrete the water before you go to sleep and it won't wake you up. So by handling that objection publicly, I've dealt with that objection to other people who may have not voiced this concern and just read the comments. So they now go ahead and purchase the product because their objection has been handled. Hiding or not is going to have to come down to your best judgment. But if you want some guidance on that, you can always book a coaching call with myself. There's a link in the description to my Calendly, and we can go through your comments, give you some guidelines, what you should be responding to, what you should be hiding, and hopefully that will help you, as well as anything else related to your Facebook ads performance. Anyway, let's jump into Ads Manager. I'll show you how to hide and delete comments, both on Instagram and Facebook, as well as show you how to set up those automatic block lists to automatically hide stuff that's coming up time and time and again on your ad comments. Okay, so we're inside Ads Manager, and there's various different ways that you can see the comments on your ads. You can look in Business Suite, you can look in the notifications you get on your apps, and you can also look in Ads Manager. So I'm going to show you Ads Manager for now. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the ad that you're looking to audit the comments on. We select it with the tick here. Come to Preview, and then you're going to come down to the Share button and select Facebook Post with Comments to open the Facebook one up, and you're going to select Instagram Post with Comments to open the Instagram one up. On this view of Instagram, you can't actually delete the comments, but you'll be able to see the comments, and if you need to, you can then go into your app where you can actually do the deleting, or in Business Suite, okay? But on Facebook, you can do everything you need to do. So let's say I clicked on that. This is the Facebook Post with Comments. This is what would have opened up, okay? I can come down to any of the comments, and beside a comment, click on the 3 dots, right? So you can see here, I've got delete, hide comment, and report comment. So I could just outright delete that, but generally what happens when you delete it is people might see it again and they might get triggered that you're deleting their comments, which is not a problem on Facebook, Instagram. You can block that person. But if you're a bigger brand and you're more public, people might put that in other areas, and then they have it in different places that you're a brand that deletes comments, okay? So I much prefer just selecting this one where you hide the comment, okay? And when you click that, what is going to happen is it will be kind of grayed out. Now that person still sees it. They have no idea that I've hidden the comment. I can still respond to them and things, but no one else can see that actual comment has been hidden, okay? So I'm going to go and unhide that, but that's exactly what you do, right? It's very, very easy, okay? So on Instagram, this is the view you'd see. You can see, you can click here. You can't actually delete the comments. So you have to go and do it, and there you go. You can only see your report cancel. You have to go and do it in the app or do it in your Business Suite, okay? So this is Business Suite here. I've got it open just to show you. You can click on Facebook comments, or you can look at Instagram comments, come and find the ones you want, or just do this on a regular basis as the comments come in. And there you go. I click the 3 dots. It's an Instagram comment. I can delete it, okay? That's gone from my ads now, right? So that's how you delete and unhide the comment and hide the comments. What about setting up lists for things that people are constantly saying? Someone's always saying the same thing. You, 1, don't want to always have to go in and do this manually, but also 2, if it's going to come up, why have the opportunity for your ad performance to be affected in the interim where you're waiting to do this, why not have it automatically be hidden? Okay, so how you do that is you're going to come to Facebook. You have to do this separately in Facebook and Instagram. So I recommend just having a list of all the words you want to put in the negative keyword list, and then just copying them each time and putting them in. So we're on our Facebook profile. You're going to come to settings in the left hand side, and then you're going to come down to privacy. Okay, no, you're not. Yeah, you're going to come down to privacy, and then you're going to select this thing, public posts, right? So we're going to click on public posts, and we're going to scroll down to this thing here, content moderation. Click on hide comments containing certain words from your page, and there you see here, I can just paste a bunch of different keywords that I want to automatically hide. So people say things like spam, lies, whatever. Just get them in here as standard things. Too expensive, all these things that just add no value, just hurt your ad. And people that comment them, their comment will be automatically hidden, in this case on Facebook, okay? And you can separate these with comments. So I can put like test here, comment, test 2, comma, and it posts them, okay? So you can do that. If you have a big list, just put commas in between them, and then you can just paste them all in. It'll do them all. There you go, like ads, words, phrases, or emojis, separate by commas. Like perfect. As well as this here, so they will put the things that are like or typos and things, so you don't need to worry about having, you know, different typos and stuff that people might say. The AI in this is going to recognize it and block them anyway, okay? So that is a really, really helpful tool. How you would do this on Instagram is you again would come to your profile. You can do this in the app or the, you know, on the URL. I'm going to come down to more on the bottom left hand side. I'm going to click on settings again, and in this one we're going to come down to this thing here, how others can interact with you. Okay, so click on that, and then come down to this section, comments. Click on that to open it, and here you can see you can add again in the list your comments with commas. Okay, so just add whatever you want and then hit submit, and that's going to automatically hide the comments on Instagram. So I don't exactly know what it does, if it deletes them or it hides them. To be honest, I don't really check it too much. I haven't done much on Instagram, but this does exist. I just found out about it recently. I previously only thought you could do this on Facebook. Okay, so that's how you do it, and yeah, it's really, really helpful. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. If you have any concerns or questions, leave them in the comments and I will happily respond to them. Don't worry, on YouTube I don't delete the comments, and I will see you in the next video very, very soon.